This video is for Air Conditioner Man. It's a big mystery to me. I don't know the exact year of my 1970s Westinghouse 6000 BTU unit. I got the grill off because I just cleaned the filter. I'm letting it dry. There it is right there. So it's got this brown wood grain on the grill. It's not plain black. This is the control panel. There's the model number right there. You'll see it again on this data plate. In case you can't read it, model number is AC 67R7D1. Oh, there it is. There you go. And the serial number APR 23533. So help me out, Air Conditioner Man. Thank you very much in advance.